How to use templates in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you do not know how to use the CapCut's templates, you have come to the right place. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, open your CapCut and then go to the templates sections. Now find the CapCut template that you want to use. In order to use any of such, tap on it and then tap on Use Template. This should now take you to your library from where you have to select the items. It may depend upon the template itself that how many items that you need to choose. In my case, it is just one item, so I'll be using one video. Once this is done, you'll land to the template page. Now you can edit it as per your wish by adding any audio of your choice, but you can leave it as it is as well. Now what you have to do is tap on the export button and your work is done and you have successfully used the template. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.